Hello everyone, I am Dr. Asmita Patil, pediatrician in Navi Mumbai. Friends, monsoon does come with pleasant changes in weather, but also brings along many diseases. One of them is diarrhea, and it is the second most common cause of death in under 5 children in India. Most of these diarrhea related deaths are due to dehydration caused by loss of water and salt. Can this be prevented? Yes. The answer is most simple, economical and widely available medical intervention, that is ORS, oral rehydration solution. So to create awareness and mark its importance, every year 29 July is celebrated as World ORS Day. It has different theme every year. ORS Jodi, that is ORS and zinc, has been proved to be successful in prevention and management of diarrheal diseases and dehydration. Hence, the theme for this year 2022 is Jodi number 1, ORS and zinc. Friends, in pre-ORS era, the villages used to get wiped out due to acute diarrheal diseases like cholera. But then there was this beautiful invention of ORS which reduced the death rate drastically. And our own Indian doctors have done pioneer work in developing it. Over the last 2 decades, it has proved to be life-saving measure in diarrhea and has reduced millions of deaths. And so, it is truly called as Jala Sanjeevani. But still, there are many prescriptions which lack emphasis on ORS. When survey was done, it was found that many parents are still unaware about it or do not use it rightly, or have some misconceptions about ORS. Hence, it is so crucial to invest some time to educate the parents about ORS. Dehydration means loss of water and salts from the body. So, we need a solution which replenishes these losses. The best of such solution is ORS because it has salt, sugar and water in right proportion. ORS is commercially available as sachet of powder, and it has to be reconstituted in proper manner. First, wash the hands properly, take a clean container and 1 liter of clean water. Remember 3 C's: clean hand, clean water and clean container. Then, dissolve one entire packet of ORS in 1 liter of water and let the child drink this sip by sip. It has to be kept covered and used within 24 hours. Any leftover solution should be discarded after that. ORS has to be reconstituted in this dilution only, otherwise it may cause electrolyte disturbances. This prepared ORS should be given to the child throughout the day. But remember, every time child vomits or passes loose stool, an additional amount of ORS should be given. For example, a quarter to half glass ORS for a child who is less than 2 years old, half to 1 glass of ORS for a child who is 2 to 10 years old, and for older child, 1 glass or more ORS should be offered. If commercially available ORS is not available, it can be easily made at home by dissolving 6 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt in 1 liter of water. Be very careful to mix the correct amounts. Too much of sugar can make the diarrhea worse. Other homemade solutions like rice water with salt, buttermilk with salt, coconut water, lemon water can also be used as oral rehydration therapy. But drinks like canned fruit juices, concentrated sugar drinks, soft drinks, sports drinks should be strictly avoided because these are the fluids with high osmolarity which may increase vomiting or loose motions. Some parents are reluctant to feed their children because of the misbelief of no feeding, no loose motions. But it is very important to understand that feeding should be continued. Breastfeeding should be given to the breastfed children. Older children should continue their regular diet because in diarrhea, as soon as dehydration is corrected, children do regain their appetite. So ensure that nutrition is not hampered. Lastly, our age-old dictum of prevention is better than cure holds true in diarrhea also. So food hygiene, water hygiene should be observed at all times. Acute rotaviral diarrhea can be prevented by rotaviral vaccination. which is now available at all public and private sectors. Friends, ORS is the most wonderful and magical invention of 20th century. It is truly a health drink or Bala Sanjivani for children. So, on the occasion of World ORS Day, let us all take a pledge to promote use of ORS so that we all contribute to reduce the mortality due to this preventable cause of death. Thank you.